As you all know that Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways is organizing here the Maritime State Development Council 20th meeting, starting from today, and it will be continued till tomorrow evening. So this is mainly to discuss about our key program, right from Sagarmala, Maritime India Vision 2030, Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047, and taking all the stakeholders, that is the coastal states and the union territories. Together we'll sit and we'll discuss and find out. You have all seen it, and I believe you have deeply realized it. The maritime sector, maritime trade, and maritime industry, how in the last 10 years significantly grown up. As a result, the ability of performance, quality of performance, and standard of our port operation, and also the increase of cargo handling capacity of our ports. You have all been seeing how World Bank Logistic Performance Index reports has very clearly indicated that India in the last 10 years grows, and also its remarkable achievement, and created a world-class benchmark in all the sector, whether it is exim cargo, whether it is coastal cargo, coastal shipping, or Indian waterways, in all three important sectors. And also the growth of the cruise tourism in the country. And Goa, we all know, is a very, very lovable destination for the national and global tourist. And that is why Goa regarded to be a dream destination for all of us. And we are developing one of the most, kind of latest facilities, so that like all the passengers feel very much comfortable visiting Goa. And that is why this is under construction, and I believe within a short span of time it is going to be completed. So far we have 6 major international cruise terminal in our major port, right from Mumbai, Murmugao, New Mangalore, Cochin, Chennai, and Visakhapatnam. And we are looking forward to develop more in Kolkata, Porbandar, Gan, Patipuli, Diu, Somnath, and Konark. So this is the way we want to develop the ecosystem. As I have already mentioned, that we'll discuss about the success of Sagarmala, because as you know, Sagarmala program is the flagship program of Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways, which was launched in 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And we have identified more than 805 numbers of projects in consultation with all our stakeholders, coastal states and others private stakeholders, and with a worth of rupees 5.6 lakhs crore. That was the target. And out of 805 number of projects, so far we have completed 250 projects at the expense of rupees 1.6 lakhs crore, and 220 projects now under implementation, and another 160 distinct project is under different stages of development. So this is how we are progressing, and this has been achieved because of the active participation of our major stakeholders, state government, and also the private players. In the Sagarmala program, you know that there is port modernization, mechanization, digitization, port-less industrialization, port-led connectivity enhancement, coastal community development, and coastal shipping and Indian waterways. These are the 5 verticals where we are working. And as per the proposal forwarded by state government, the Sagamala, we at the highest level take it up, and accordingly we proceed to the ground and get it implemented.